Well, guys, we were speaking about the rule of thumb, where we say that the QDM it's a liar and QDR it's basically our butt and always comes after us. And let's try it on. So I'm gonna. I want, for instance, we are now on QDM 060, and let's say that I want the needle to go to the right to 090. So basically, I want QDM 090. So like the QDM it's a liar, if I want him to go to the left, I need to go, I want the needle to go to the right, so I'll need to go to the left. Check it out. Okay, out of pause, turning right, look what's happening. Okay, so I came to the left, so what's going on is that he's going to the right, right? So now all that I need to do is just wait that it's almost there, and then I turn to follow. If I want him to go quicker, I just need to intercept with the higher angle of interception. Right now, my angle of interception is from 090 to what I'm doing, so 030. So we are now intercepting with the 60-degree angle of interception. Okay, I can go up to 90 degrees. More than that, I'll be going backwards. Okay. Okay, so I think now it's a good time to start my turn. Okay, I need to wait a little bit here for the needle to move further to the right until 090. Okay, now it's a good time to go, I think. Okay, and we are there. There we are. We went to the left to make the needle move to the right. Okay, let's see what's our distance. 1.8 nautical miles. Okay, so now I'm going to increase speed so that it's faster. Let's see what happens when we pass the overhead the station, so in the cone of silence. We are now at, as you can see here, 1.1. This is the ME distance to the station. If you're in an ADF, this is what's going to happen. It will turn like this. Okay. So now we are following QDR 090. We pass the station to the other side. And now imagine that I want QDR 120, okay? Once again, the tail of the needle is just like my tail, will come always behind me, will always follow me. So let's go right. So now, if I go to 120, it will follow me, but it will never catch 120. Why? Because I'm doing a parallel to 120, right? So I'll need to go a little bit to the right of 120 for it to follow me, and when it's almost at 120, I will go there. Okay, we are really close to the station, so I think that 15 degrees angle of interception will do. Once again, 15 degrees, 120 plus 15, 135. As you can see, needle, the back of the needle, it's following us. Okay, this is a good rule of thumb when you're nervous or you don't really have the mental, how can I say, you don't have time to think or whatever. This is good, and after a few times you'll just do these rules of thumb without thinking about it, and you're already looking at the instrument like a map, and it's everything, it's just easier. Okay, so guys, this is it about QDM, QDR. if there are any questions or things that you want me to explain, I'll try to explain them in another way. Okay, just tell them state them in the comments. Okay, and I also notice from sometimes I go and check my my videos, and I do a lot of mistakes. So when that happens, if it's something that you see, okay, he said this, but I understood he wanted to say this, okay, but if it's something that it was like, oh, I misunderstood this because of if you misunderstand something because of the mistakes I do in the videos, just tell me, okay, so I can correct them, or at least I can say something in the comments like, I made a mistake here, I wanted to say 350 instead 340, or I said QDM instead of QDR. Okay, if you think that's an obstacle to your learning, just tell me. Okay, so guys, I have to go. I have a flight. I have to present to the flight in 1 hour, so I need to leave my house. Okay guys, see you. Cheers.